Hi, writers. I wanted to take just a quick minute to remind you about yesterday's lesson and invite you to try that today during your writing time. I tried it out and I decided I needed to put an introduction for my book about yoga in the front. So I thought about, I could tell my readers what yoga is and what they're about to read, or I could ask a question for my readers before they start to read. So I tried to do a little bit of both. Listen to what I decided to do. All about yoga. Yoga is good for you. So I'm telling my reader about yoga. I like to do it. So I'm telling my reader why I picked this topic. Do you know what it is? So now I asked a question about the topic. So now my reader's been invited to think about my topic and hear the question about the topic before they start to read. So I made an introduction or a lead by telling my reader what I'm going to write about and by asking them a question about the topic to invite them into my book. I hope you try that today. I'm also going to try and I'm going to get some paper and maybe put a glossary at the end of my book like that butterfly book had, with some vocabulary words that I use in my book. So have fun, writers. Make sure you have your writing space ready, all your All About books gathered, maybe a little writing light you've got going on, and then you're going to go to the next slide, turn on the writing music, and get started writing today. And write for up to 10 minutes if you can. I know you can do it, writers. I can't wait to see your fantastic writing from the week on Friday. Bye, writers.